Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at the SUI Defi and the ways we can earn by investing on this chain. If you're not familiar with SUI and want to learn a little bit more about them, I did a high level in my last video, so go check that out. I also discussed setting up a SUI wallet along with doing traditional staking, delegating your SUI tokens to a validator to earn yield. Let's get right into this one. So when I started my YouTube channel just under a year ago, this was around 50 billion. We've gone up and down since then. Nice to see. So let's go find SUI. If you saw my last video, you'll know that they just surpassed Bitcoin DeFi. So if you scroll down, there's Bitcoin. You'll probably see an increase in this. There's a lot being built out infrastructure-wise on Bitcoin, but they are currently number 14, SUI, with 330 million total value locked. Let's click on them. All right, so today I'm going to discuss Cetus. Cetus supports Aptos APT token. I've also done a video on Aptos, so go check that one out. So we're going to discuss Cetus. We're going to bridge, swap, and set up a liquidity pool. We're going to discuss Scallop lend, so you can lend and borrow SUI, USDT, USDC to earn yield. There's some high yields right now there. We're going to look at Haedal protocol for liquid staking, and we're going to discuss ABEx finance for perpetual futures, derivatives. So you can trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. You can invest in their liquidity provider token to earn fees that are generated from traders on that platform. So lots of ways to earn here. I went through all of these. I picked those four. The first two I enjoyed using. So let's go into Cetus first. So there's Cetus, cetus.zone. I'll leave all the links in the description. You want to click on access the app. We're going to come over here to bridge. And you'll want to connect your wallet. There's lots of options. Most people most likely have assets on MetaMask, so you can connect there. And then once your SUI wallet's set up, you can connect your SUI wallet and bridge over. There it is. I did it. I brought some ETH over from MetaMask to SUI, and it was less than 15 minutes. The gas fees were minimal. It wasn't that bad. Once I got the ETH from Ethereum mainnet over to SUI, it came under wrapped ETH. Okay, so it comes under wrapped ETH. So I come over here to swap, and it'll show up as wrapped ETH wormhole, and you'll be able to transfer whatever asset you had into SUI or whatever asset you want, right? If you wanted to do USDC. So there it is. So you bridge, you swap, and then you come over here to earn. You can add some liquidity to the pool. Look at this, SUI USDC, 302%. So you need to connect your SUI wallet. And if you wanted to say, let's say, add liquidity to this one, you'll need half. It's really just depends on the range you want. So you can have a full range, and it would generally be half and half. So half SUI, half USDC. So you'll need to swap for that. So if you have some SUI in your wallet, let's say it's $1,000, you want to swap half of that for USDC and get that in there. You might have to play around with it if you want to adjust the ranges. You might need more USDC than SUI. So it really depends. Once you get in there, you can adjust your range, and then you can add liquidity. Like I said, I did it. It was fairly seamless. It worked great, and now I'm earning. All right, so that is earning on Cetus. And they also have a token, so you can look at their token as well. Cetus, you can purchase it on various exchanges. And if we come back over here, it looks like you can stake your Cetus to get the ABEx Cetus, and you're earning almost 84% rewards. So various ways to earn here with SUI and Cetus. Next, we're going to discuss lending and borrowing. Can supply SUI or stable coins on the Scallop app. So if I hit launch app, I already have them launched. You can lend SUI for 18.7%. You'll receive this S coin. S coin is a Scallop market coin. These are tokenized DEPs, proofs that you deposit liquidity into these pools that go through smart contracts. So let's say you brought over $1,000 in whatever from another chain, or you bought $1,000 worth of SUI on an exchange. You sent it over your SUI wallet. You could split it up, right? 3, 3, and 3. You could do $333 here. You could do $333 times 2 in the liquidity pool, and you'll be earning some decent rewards. So here you can supply. So if you want to supply half of that, let's say 333 divided by 2, you can supply half, and then you can go and borrow the other half. So right now the borrow APR is only 0.7%. It's nothing. You can borrow it. You'll receive USD as collateral. And once you have USD as collateral, if I come over here, you can deposit to earn just under 15%. So you're earning by depositing SUI, you're earning by borrowing, depositing SUI, receiving USDC. Once you receive that collateral, I believe it's 70% or 80% here. So let's say it's that you have $1,000, you'll get 800 in collateral, and you come over here and you'll supply it, and you'll be earning 15%. You'll qualify for their airdrop. We come over here. So if you are part of their phase 1, which we missed, you can also earn. So it looks like lenders and borrowers history. You'll get some points. So you can be eligible by supplying liquidity, and you can be eligible by borrowing. And that we're in phase 2. Phase 2 goes until the end of the month, I believe, the end of January. And you can read a little bit more. There's the leaderboard. If we go over to airdrop, you can come down here. Phase 2 starts January 16th, which is 2 days ago, and it ends in 2 weeks at the end of the month. So a way to earn airdrops, that is Scallop, and various ways to earn. Next, we're going to discuss Haedal. So if we come over here, if you saw my last video, you'll know how to stake the SUI token through a validator or delegate it through a validator. So here you're becoming liquid. So with liquid staking tokens, you stake SUI through a smart contract. Obviously, there's risk to that as well, but you stake the SUI token through Haedal. You'll be earning 3.71%, which is similar to what we're earning delegating to a validator. But you'll receive this HA SUI, and you can come over to Cetus, hit swap, and you could swap, let's say, this for back to SUI, back to USDC, back to USDT. So, and then you could go in and you could trade. We're going to discuss these trading platform ABEx in a second. So I'm not going to go too far into this, but that is liquid staking. If you were part of the JITO on Solana, you got huge airdrops. I don't know if they're going to do airdrops on this ecosystem, but you never know, right? So various ways to earn here and various ways to participate in SUI DeFi. All right, so next we're going to discuss ABEx. This is for leverage on trading. So it looks like there's some pairs. So you could trade various pairs. Bitcoin, obviously the most popular. You could long or short it. You could do up to 100x leverage. And you could also come over here and invest in their ALP token. This is a liquidity provider token. So everyone that's trading on this platform and paying fees, those fees get paid to the people that stake the ALP token or provide liquidity to this platform. I've discussed similar DEXs or derivative platforms in the past, including GMX, MUX, G-Trade, Coenta, Mommy Finance, and various others. So go check those out if you're interested in investing in these DEXs or derivative platforms. All right, that's the end of this video. If you could share, like, and subscribe to support my channel, that would be awesome. I'll continue looking for good investments and passing those along to you, along with the steps on how to invest and any bear traps that I might have gone through. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, peace out.